This is Will in Indiana, and you watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. We're out here today doing an unboxing on the fly. I just happened to stumble upon a great deal for fishing lures at a flea market. Well, consignment store, this kind of thing. I got 8 lures in here for 20 bucks. So that's $2.50 each. What we're gonna do is check them out, look them up online, and see what their retail price is. And then we're gonna see how much money we saved buying them at a consignment store. Here's my receipt. Check it out. 2 at $10 each. Lures 4 for $10. I paid $21.85 total. Let's see what we got. First up, we have a Lucky Craft USA lure made in Japan. This is the Fat CB SRF floating Tennessee shad. It swims to a depth of 3 feet, is 3 inches long, and weighs 3/4 of an ounce. Let's see if we can find this online. Fat CBSR Lucky Craft. There's one at Carl's for $12.99. $12.99. The Lucky Craft CBSR is a silent crankbait that cleans up in shallow cover. It has a bite-sized profile and enticing swimming action, needle-sharp trebles. Ease this floating stealth bait through wood laydowns and dock pilings with confidence. So, Carl's is selling it for $12.99. I got it for $2.50. That's a savings of about $10.50. There are a few boats here at the dock. Next item, Yo-Zuri 3DB Prop F, UV Prop Japan patent. This is a 7/16 ounce or 12 gram lure measuring 3.5 inches. That's a good looking bait. Catch more with 3D prism finish and wave motion belly. Wave motion belly. I don't know if you can see it, but there are little grooves on the stomach or belly of this topwater prop bait. Yo-Zuri 3DB Prop F. There's one on Amazon for $11.99. There's one at Walmart for $9.78. There's one at Bass Pro for $9.99. Also Tackle Warehouse, $9.99. And yeah, I got this one for $2.50. That's a savings of about $7.50.
This is V in Orlando. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Here's another Yo-Zuri 3DB Prop F. That last one was in gold. This one is in a shad pattern. We already know it's 10 bucks. Again, I paid $2.50 for it. A savings of $7.50. Well, I just had to do it again, and we have another Yo-Zuri 3DB Prop F. This is sort of like a whopper plopper. As you can see, it has a little propeller on the back. Another one in shad. And you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna add this to the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. That means it went from 4 chances to 5 chances, and now we're gonna start another pile, 6 chances to win. Make sure you go back, I don't know, maybe 5 episodes, It's called something like We're Almost at 100,000. Make sure you leave a comment on that video. This Yo-Zuri prop bait is now in the giveaway. The next item is a Bagley Bang-O Lure 4. Looks like a jerk bait here, blue and silver. The back says, use medium tackle and fish tight to logs, stumps, or weed beds. It says, cast, let it set, twitch, set again, retrieve. On the retrieve, it dives 2 feet, often prompting surface strikes as you're pulling in for another cast. Good looking Bagley jerkbait here. The BL4 BSO, made in Serbia. Bagley Bang-O Lure 4. There's one, Tackle Warehouse, $9.99, Tackle Warehouse. Tackle Direct, $7.47. So this lure goes between $7.50 and $10. We'll call it $7.50 on the low side, but I paid $2.50. That's a savings of $5. Here we have another Lucky Craft. This is another Fat CBSR Chartreuse Black. Good looking lure here from Lucky Craft. Yeah, good looking lure. I paid $2.50. And we're putting this in the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. We're adding this to the Yo-Zuri topwater prop bait. We have 2 nice lures now from this unboxing going into that giveaway. 6 chances now.
Hey, you're watching Realistic Fishing with Butterbean. That's me. Keep it realistic.
We have another Yo-Zuri bait here. This is the Crystal Minnow. 3.5 inches, 1/4 ounce. Tiny lip on this little jerk bait here. Yo-Zuri lures are created by the most skilled Japanese engineers and craftsmen. Our lure's ability to target fish precisely is based on years of research from our experienced staff. Well, let's see what the Yo-Zuri retails for. Fisherman's Warehouse, $11.97. $9.99 at Dick's, $11.04 at Tackle Warehouse, $11.04 at Tackle Direct. So this lure right here goes between $9 and $13. We'll go with 9 on the low side. That means I saved $6.50 on one lure alone. And last but not least, we have another Lucky Craft. Another Fat CBSR in Tennessee shad. And this is why you want to check flea markets, consignment shops, any shops that people are selling their merchandise straight to you. You can get some amazing deals like Lucky Craft crankbaits for $2.50. Let's do a rough count of the math and see how much money I saved. All right, we got the 3 Lucky Craft cranks. That's crazy. We've also got the 3 Yo-Zuri prop baits. I think those were $10 each. And I can't forget about the Bagley. This is the least discounted item. I think I saved $5. We'll call it $50. Wow, $50 savings. And all I spent was $20.
I'm Wyatt. I'm Penelope. Keep it realistic.
Oh, and make sure you go back to the almost at 100,000 subscriber video. Leave a comment so you can be entered in a giveaway. I'll be choosing 6 random winners from the comments section. Yes, 6. Yes, 6. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Good luck to everyone. Good luck finding deals like this. And keep it realistic.